Hello. Hope you saw the previous illustrations which I told you to do it in your classwork. Yes, in our last session we completed two methods of commission. First method, that is of when total profit is given. Second method, that's connected with when partner's profit is given. When total profit is given, obviously we are connected with special method. With special method, that is commission equals to profit into rate of commission divided by 100 plus rate of commission. That's why it is known as special profit. The second one, that is when partner's profit, individual partner no profit apelo. In this method, obviously a simple method for calculation of commission. First, we were going to find that divisible profit, and after divisible profit, we calculate commission with simple formula, that is commission equals to profit into rate upon 100. Now, in this session, we are going to solve two different methods. One of them, again exercise 3, sub question 4, page number 31. One of the easiest method, one of the easiest question of your exercise. If you are very lucky, they may ask this question in board. Mind you, don't feel like that. Always feel that you are lucky. Nobody knows. ક્યારે ઈશ્વર તથાસ્તુ ભૂલી જાય. Unfortunately, આપણે એવું જ માનતા હોય કે યાર we are not lucky. And if we are thinking like that, and then if God say, okay, whatever you want, it will happen. તો વિચારજો, આપણે lucky નથી એવું વિચારતા હોય and it will happen. It's a problematic thing. So, if you are very lucky, કદાચ આ ક્વેશ્ચન બોર્ડમાં આવી જાય. અને બોર્ડમાં frequently it happen that they are asking questions from textbook only. It's not compulsory, but in majority of the case it happens. Okay, what is it? Just distribution of profit. They will give you P&L ratio, they will give you profit. You are supposed to calculate it and write the answer. Matter ends. This is not the part of this solution. Mind well, this is a different question. So, suppose they ask this question over here, your answer will be over, and within no time, you can say almost within 1.5 to 2 minutes. Yes, you can measure it. Within 2 minutes or so, you will get full 3 marks. Okay? So, let's go for that. It is on page 31. First of all, as I say, once, twice, you must read the question properly. Here in the question they say, the profit loss ratio of Rajkumar, Kaushik and Sharma is 15:10:9. The total profit of the firm is rupees 68,000. Determine the share of profit of each partner. The profit loss ratio is 15:10:9. Total, that is 34. Obviously, makes a huge difference when we are writing total. Why is it so? Because again, let me say, if you just committed a mistake for totaling, here total karvama, if you committed a minor mistake, so this total will be used over here. ત્રણ જગ્યાએ use કરવાનું છે. Obviously, if you do the total, say 33 or 35 or 30 or somewhat like that, and put it over here, the entire three answers will be wrong. Now, if we say that if you are lucky, they will ask this question. પણ luck પણ favor always end માં કરે. First, we have to work hard for that. Here, hard does not mean laborious. Here, hard work means with proper smartness. And what we use over here, that is one of the step of that smartness. that just by doing the total at once, feel tension free and put the same over here in das. Okay? So let's continue. First of all, the steps. P&L ratio, that is 15 is to 10 is to 9, total 34. Total profit, that is 68,000. Now, they say that share of profit of each partner. So profit of Rajkumar, 68,000 into 15 by 34. How this 15 by 34 comes? Individual ratio upon total ratio. See, I already discussed this topic once, twice, thrice. પછી એક સમય એવો આવવો જોઈએ કે you must clearly visualize, clearly remember this. At every time I am not going to say that individual ratio upon total ratio. Okay? So 68,000 into 15 by 34. By just doing proper calculation, you will get the answer 30,000. Next one, profit of Kaushik. That is 68,000 into 10 by 34. You will get the answer 20,000. And at the end, profit of Sharma. 68,000 into 9 by 34. That is the answer 18,000. Now here I wrote in this pattern. See, you can write 68,000 into 15 by 34. Then you can write over here also 30,000, then 20,000, then 18,000. Why I write in this pattern? Just because nani matters sure, but makes a huge difference. A simple example: namak, salt, mittu. Can say one of the cheapest matter, cheapest thing, cheapest item available in our kitchen. રસોઈમાં વપરાતી બધી જ મેટર્સ હોય એમાંથી one of the cheapest is salt. હવે ઘણાની એક મેન્ટાલિટી હોય મોંઘું એ સારું. Whatever the costliest one is obviously good, like dry fruits. But imagine say a very good dish of pulao or biryani. Compare both the things, salt and dry fruits. दिमाग में रखो बन्ने. One of the cheapest, one costliest. कदाच बहु બધા dry fruits નાખી દઈએ અને salt ભૂલી જઈએ. સાવ સસ્તું છે ને. One of the cheapest. So let's forget it. What do you think about the test? I think you get my point. Now see the reverse. Namak proper hoy, it is in proper proportion, salt. And we may forget dry fruits. Bhulai gaya aapne kadach. Do you think there is a huge difference in taste? Do you think we can't eat it? Okay, at the most we notice it. Dry fruit bhulai gaya છે. પણ જમી ન શકાય એવું ના હોય. In the same way, small matters. ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહીએ છીએ નાનો પણ રાઈનો દાણો. Okay, the students of English medium, you must have a little bit grip even on the other languages too, specifically when it's a matter of your mother tongue. Okay, come to the point. Matter નાનકડી કહેવાય છે. આ 30,000 here, this 20,000 we write over here, this 18,000 over here. What makes difference? Nothing. But if you write like this, you can do the total. You can do the total very easily. Again, you may feel, sir, what is the difference? If you do the total, if you don't do the total, is it connected with your marks? No, it's not connected with your marks. If you don't do the total, કદાચ આ total તમે નથી કરતા, in that case also you will get full marks. But very important. If you do the total, if you committed any mistake in calculation, you will find over here. By mistake, if I write 10,000 over here, or by mistake, if I write 20,000 over here, by doing the total, automatically I got my mistake. I find my mistake. Can do the rectification and can grab the full marks. Otherwise, while appearing in board exams, we don't have the luxury of time કે આરામથી બે વખત જોઈએ ને ચેક કરીએ ને બોર્ડમાં તો obviously we are concentrating in our paper. Once we complete the question, very quickly we are switching on the another question, next question. And so, in each question, if you just change a little bit the writing pattern also, you get the opportunity to encash the marks with confidence. Is it okay? Is there any problem in this method? P&L ratio is given, profit is given, you are just going to distribute it. Clear? This was exercise 8, question number 4, page 31. Now, because it may be possible, this is one of the easiest, and that's why for this method you will not find any illustration in your textbook. Okay? So practice this only once or twice. It's very easy. So I'm not suggesting that you should do practice for 10 times or 5 times. Okay? Next question. That is exercise 3, question number 5. A different method. You observe, for each and every method, I gave some particular title for this distribution of profit. For the previous one, we wrote first method, interest on drawings. For second question, we wrote when total profit is given, calculation of commission. For third question, what we wrote? Yes, when partner's profit is given, calculation of commission. Same like this. For this method, we can say to find out P&L ratio and distribution of profit on that basis. For you, no need to give this lengthy title in your answer sheets. This is just for the understanding of concept. This is exercise 3, question number 5, given on page number 31. Let's go through the question first. The question watch and then we will obviously move to the answer. Answer ma how we are going to solve this special trick I'm going to give you. So concentrating question first and then obviously answer. Here in the question they said again partner's name, Mehta, Pandya, Bajpayee, everything is given the question properly. You are just going to read it. Here, question 5. Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya. Mehta receives 4 times of Pandya, while Bajpayee receives half of share of Mehta. Mehta receives 4 times of Pandya and Bajpayee receives half of Mehta. Is it clear? Profit of the firm at the end of the year is 87,500. See, profit is also given. Determine the share of profit of each partner. Now in this question, what they say, determine the share of profit. So you are supposed to find the amount of profit of each partner. You can solve this question by so many ways. In some books, you may find directly the calculation of profit, which normally I don't suggest. At our place, in our institute, we always try to give you the best. And so, if I teach you to get the share of profit from this, from 87,500, how much Mehta is going to receive, how much Pandya is going to receive, how much Bajpayee is going to receive. We can do directly. Naturally, the length of answer becomes cut, becomes short. Answer nano thei jai. But the important thing is, if in the same question, if I told you to find out P&L ratio, then if you directly do the calculation of this and don't do this, you may not know how to find P&L ratio. And if you cannot find P&L ratio properly with a proper pattern, obviously you have to lose 1 or 2 marks. And you know that in initial lectures we used some particular words. Born to win. જ્યારે આપણો જન્મ જ જીતવા માટે થયો છે ત્યારે to lose something is not in our nature, is not in our blood. Okay? And that's why we solve this particular question in a particular way. First, find out P&L ratio and then we are going to distribute this profit. Okay? So, Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya and Bajpayee receives half of Mehta. Now here a solution is that. Just if you look at the solution, you may feel that how it comes, how this 8 comes, 2 comes, becomes a bit confusing. So let's try to solve. Let's try to eliminate this confusion. How we assume this? Obviously you have to assume it. But how we get this particular? You can use X method also. Mehta's share, Pandya's share, Bajpayee's share. You can assume X for anyone and on that basis you can get the same ratio. All your choice. There are 3-4 methods. No need to remember all 4 methods. In board, obviously all the methods are okay enough. We are not going to demand a particular method, but proper calculation must be needed. Obviously. So let's go through this. Very, very simple. I'm reviewing this particular question, so don't go with this. After our portion 3 onwards, we are going to solve on this side. Okay? Here, very simple trick. What you are supposed to do, you have to decide a common center partner. Here, let's say we decide Pandya. So, first of all, what they said, Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya. Can I say it is 4 by 1? Bajpayee's receives half of Mehta. Can I say we can write like this? Is it okay? See, I am not writing Mehta, Bajpayee, Pandya. We don't require name, we just require the digits, the figure. Now, a very simple one. Just by multiplying the denominators, that is 2. Is it clear? Again, Mehta receives 4 times, that's why we write 4 by 1. Bajpayee receives half, that is 1 by 2. By multiplying the denominator, whatever the answer you got, that should be the assumption of centered partner. Is it clear? Centered does not mean Pandya only, but it depends on the question. Question condition, accordingly we can assume. See here, if you assume Mehta as X, you can do like that also. Then obviously Pandya will have, what is it? 1/4 X. And Bajpayee will receive 1 by 2x. Then you can again take LCM and can solve by this pattern also. But do remember, normally it's our rule that ratio cannot be in fractions also. Means you cannot write a ratio like that 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. It's normally not the proper way. Is it clear? So ratio simple लावा माटे it's a very simple trick. जो आ trick use करो, if you use this trick, normally at first step only you will get in normal round figure digits. Is that clear? Again let me repeat. First of all, Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya. 4 times, so 4 by 1. Bajpayee receives half of Mehta. half 1 by 2. Now we have only this much digits only. By multiplying this two, whatever the answer you get should be assumed as common. કારણ કે મહેતાના બાજપેયીનો digit લીધેલા છે. So the remaining partner, that is Pandya, 2. Now if you assume 2 as Pandya's share is 2, then Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya. So 4 into 2, 8. Bajpayee receives half of Mehta. So 8 into half, that is 4. No need to find LCM, nothing. કાંઈ જ કરવાની જરૂર નહીં રહે. Within a step, you can directly get the answer. Okay? Something new. And whenever something new is there, always it requires practice. How to do practice? Obviously, there are not 10, 15, 20 questions given in the textbook. But how can you do the practice? You can frame the questions in your own way. See what is required. No need for distribution of profit or something like that. To do the practice of this topic, A, B, C, 3 partners, and assume like that A receives 5 times than B, B receives 1/3 than C. Another question, A receive 6 by 7 of B, B receive 3 by 4 of C. Can take 4 partners also. It's all depend on your attitude. Whether you want to do proper practice and have a grip, have a mastery on the trick, or you want to follow normal pattern. See, normal pattern everyone is going to do. The difference between normal pattern and some trick is that it can save your time and can give confidence. Confidence kya is? You can again check the relations. 8 to 4. 8 to 4. You can check the relations. Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya. You can check the relation 2 and 8. Bajpayee receives half than Mehta. Again you can check the relations 8 and 4. So you can have the confidence in your answer. And at the time of appearing the board paper, confidence is a very, very important tool. Is it clear? You can use this trick very smoothly. Okay? So here we receive 8 to 4, that is 8 is to 2 is to 4. By just dividing 2, 4, 1, 2, that is total 7. Suppose someone feel, sir, if we don't do like this, and if we keep this simple like this, then also it's valid. We are not going to cut marks for this kind of things. So you can have 8 is to 2 is to 4 also. Naturally the total will be 14. Very, very simple. Okay. Now the profit is already given. Distribution of profit. Rupees 87,500 in 4 is to 1 is to 2. How can we distribute the profit? First of all, accept the trick. Let me remove this. Trick is there in the board. You can utilize 87,500 in 4 is to 1 is to 2. Distribution of profit. Please do take care. You must write the name of partners in chronological order. Otherwise, answer na digits reverse up or down. થઈ જશે. Mehta's profit or Mehta's share you can write. Total profit 87,500 into 4 upon 7. Then Pandya's profit $7,500 again. It's 1 by 7 and then 5 days profit. Again 87,500 into 2 by 7. Normally what I advise is that you should write like this first. પહેલા તમારે આવી રીતે લખી લેવું જોઈએ and then you should go for the calculation. જો પહેલા કદાચ લખશો નહીં અને સાથે જ calculation કરતા રહેશો તો a minor problem may occur. Which problem? Very very simple that અહીંયા calculation કરવામાં concentration ગયું તમારું. હવે એ concentration તમારું જે છે એ કદાચ આ લખતી વખતે તમને problem થઈ શકે. Is it clear? Problem અહીંયા સુધીમાં કોઈને? Sure. Just go with the calculation फटाफट. 87,500 into 4 divided by 7. Okay? What the answer should be? Yes, it is 50,000. Then 87,500 into 1 by 7. It comes to, yes, it is 50,000. It is 20,500. And what all are here? You can use the trick, huh? This one, this 2. So 12,500 into 2. Or 4 and 2. So 50,000 and a half. See, every time it is not needed. આપણે લોકો ટેવાઈ ગયા છીએ. Anywhere some calculation is there, and if calculator is allowed, તરત હાથમાં લઈ લઈએ. But just check it once. You do this calculation automatically. If you use, ध्यान રાખજો. In my last session only I said કે 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G માંથી બહાર નીકળો and use this. Okay? As I say, અમારા વખતે સોંગ હતું કદાચ વધારાનું બહુ તો શું અવેલેબલ હતું? That is Parle-G. But nowadays everything is available and that's why આ બંધ થઈ ગયું છે. કદાચ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરવો હોય તો કરી જોજો. Just a suggestion. Do write the names in a simple page. Do write the names of your relatives. And then, without looking at your cell phone, try to write the mobile numbers of your relatives. Try karjo. You can come to know how much you are dependency વધતી જાય છે on the technologies. What we are using, what we are saying, the excuse. When it's available, why not to use? But if it's not available, then કદાચ ભગવાન નો કરે ને કદાચ એક્ઝામમાં જો કેલ્ક્યુલેટરમાં કંઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો તો just blank થઈ જઈએ છીએ આપણે. No, not needed. If you use this kind of tricks, so there is no need to calculate this 3 times. See, we obviously experienced this kind of things. બોર્ડમાં ઘણી વાર એવું બને છે ઉતાવળમાં કેલ્ક્યુલેટર ભૂલાઈ ગયું. હવે શું કરવું કાંઈ ના થાય. Normally you can have an extra calculator from school or something like that from the center, પણ એ ના હોય તો પણ ઝીરો નથી થઈ જતા. It affects your mark sheet but not like zero. Okay, so by calculating 4 by 7, if you get 50,000, so 87,500 same છે. 7 will remain same, only 4 and 2 half. So 1525 half. I think you got my point, what I wanted to say. If you use this kind of tricks in the paper of accounts, you can save 3 to 5 precious minutes in the entire accounting paper. Okay? Again the same pattern, so you can do the total. By doing the total of this, you can actually have 37,500. That is your total profit. Is there any problem? Very very simple. How to do this? આ એક જ ટ્રિક સમજવાની છે. આમાં કંઈ સમજવાનું નથી. There's nothing new. Okay? Again, for the last time. Mehta receives 4 times than Pandya. Bajpayee receives half of Mehta. See, who receives how much of whom is not an important. Name is not important over here. Clear? આપણે માત્ર digits and figures ને ધ્યાનમાં રાખવા છે. So concentrate on figures. 4 times means 4 by 1 and half, that is 1 by 2. By multiplying this 2, whatever the amount, whatever the digit you get, should be assumed as the remaining partner. Remaining means here Mehta receives, તો Mehta ને આપણે લખ્યા છે. Bajpayee, તો Bajpayee નું લખ્યું છે. So the remaining is Pandya. So Pandya, if you assume 2, Mehta share 8 in this pattern. Bajpayee share 4 in this pattern. And automatically, directly you will get the ratio, not in fractions or anything like that. Is it clear? Go through this very nicely and then solve illustration number 5 of your textbook. Okay? Of the same pattern. But try to utilize the trick. तो ज practice થશે. Is it okay? Go through it. In our next session, we are continuing with some interesting errors and rectification of it. Okay? So, go through this trick properly and solve the question with this trick.